So there are people who do not know Allah, and then there are people who know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So those who know Allah azza wa jal subhanahu wa ta'ala, and that there is Allah and we should believe, we should follow, so they come towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Majority of them, they come to Allah to use Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not to make Him the ultimate aim and goal, that He is the end of all ends, He is the end of everything, He is my center of my life, He is my greatest preference, His rida and pleasure. That's not the point in them. Majority is coming towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They are coming to use Him. Someone is coming to solve a problem. There are many people who just come, so they're using Allah. Allah is not the goal. The goal is to solve the problem, the issue, whichever it is. So they're, okay, our issue can't be solved except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so let's go through Him. But as soon as that issue is solved, they say goodbye to relationships, because that was never their preference. So someone will come up, oh, I'll start praying, or I'll start praying tahajjud, or I will change my life if I get married to this person. The goal was never Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They want to use Allah to get to this person. That's all. They are not using the person to get to Allah. They are using Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The others, if I get a very good business, I will spend in the way of Allah, I'll become pious, I'll become righteous. So this person is also using Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala because he knows Allah owns all these treasures. So he wants to use Allah to gain these things. Allah is never their goal. So how can they achieve Allah? How would they get closeness to Allah? Allah will not come to you until you seek Him. You never sought Allah Azza wa Jal. Seriously, if you think in the middle of the night that have I in my life made number one goal or center of my life Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or if I came to Him and that was also to solve a problem, to fulfill a need, to fulfill a desire, to gain health, to gain wealth, to remove the problem, there is a case upon me, to win the election, to get this, to marry someone. So things we have made opposite, which Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught, we exactly went opposite to it. What was his idea? What was his philosophy? What the message he gave us was that you should use everything. That's the Quranic message. You should use everything: wealth, relationship, marriage, children, wealth, health, dunya. Use everything to achieve and to seek and to be with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to get to Allah. Use everything. Spend money, spend dunya. Use marriage to be modest. Use children to seek Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, actually in a way bring them up in a way. Use people, how to be good with them so you get pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the Quranic philosophy, the ideology is, and the prophetic sunnah teaches us that whatever is in the heaven and earth, you use all those things actually to seek Allah, the Lord of the universe. And when you have that, you have everything.